Good afternoon. I just want to thank the Electrical Learning Portal for this opportunity to learn electrical design and drafting, and it has given me more insights into the world of electrical design and drafting. Initially, before I started this course, I had very little knowledge of electrical designing, but throughout the process of learning this course, I was able to learn how I can calculate my lighting fixtures, calculate my normal power and raw power from socket outlets, the total connected loads in various designs. Also, we taught how to calculate the transformer size, DG size, UPS size, battery size, voltage drops, and many more calculations. So I am grateful to the Electrical Learning Portal and also my teacher for breaking them down bit by bit and making each and every topic very, very relatable and understandable. Thank you very much.